Meaning of grandfather.
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 Grandfather. The term grandfather generally refers to a male who is the father of a person's own parent. It is a familial term that is often used to denote respect and affection for an elder family member. The word grandfather can also be used in a figurative sense, such as describing a long-established tradition or practice that has been in place for a significant amount of time. In conclusion, grandfather carries multiple connotations, but it primarily signifies a male ancestor from an older generation who holds a special place of honor and importance in a family.